This is Murray Feller. It's July 19th, about 3+ weeks after the driveway was repaired by Asphalt Armor, taking a walk down it to show its condition. Becomes pretty obvious that much of the sealant that they recently applied is no longer in place. The road's still very crumbly. It's as if the sealant was not effective. No value to the sealant. As we go down, there are many spots where it's still quite crumbly. This is all going to wash away, just as it had when we had a heavy rain about 3.5 weeks ago. Taking a walk further down, every spot is soft, no hardness to it. In fact, you can hear my footsteps. It's almost like a gravel driveway instead of a asphalt driveway. This lower portion will soften and run off just as it had earlier. The rest of the highway, or the driveway, is similar. There are some spots in the center, for example, where the traffic has not been on, where the sealant is still in place. But where it has been driven on, there has been a gradual removal with relatively modest usage of the sealant. Sealant has simply not been effective.